It's the playtime!
Hey!
Hi kids! Today we're going to do some counting with our farm animals. Who's up first? Looks like we have a cow. He's number 1. He is a cow, and he's number 1. He's going to go way back here. He's a cow. Number 1. All right, who's number 2? Oh, looks like we have a pig. A pig is number 2. He's number 2. Oh, sorry, Mr. Cow. Put you back up there. Oops, we dropped your pig. Mr. Pig, what's up, Mr. Pig? Say hi to the kids. Say hello, kids. He's number 2. He is a pig. We'll put him back here with the cow and her buddies. All right, he was number 3. Oh, it looks like we have a sheep. He is a sheep. What's up, Mr. Sheep? Oh, don't eat all of our plants. He's number 3, guys. Mr. Sheep is number 3. There he goes. He's number 3. Oh, yeah. He's number 3. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna go right in between the cow and the pig. We'll move you over, Mr. Cow. Here we go. We'll put him right there, okay, guys? Who's next? Oh, it's a rooster. Say hi, rooster.
Hi there.
All right. The rooster is walking around. He's so excited. He's number 4, the rooster. Oh, he can jump high. Look how high he can jump. Oh my goodness. I didn't know a rooster could jump that high, guys. He's number 4, the rooster. Number 4, rooster. All right, who's next? Oh, looks like we have Mr. Duck. What's up, Mr. Duck? Say hi to the duck, kids. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna go back here with his rooster buddy. He's number 5. Oh, he can jump too. Oh, he's a good jumper. He's number 5. Oh, he's number 5. He likes, can he jump 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Thanks, Mr. Duck. He's number 5. All right, guys. If you're at home, practice your counting. You think these guys can jump? Let's see. 1 cow. He did 1 jump. Sheep's number 2. 1, 2 jumps. Wow, nice job, Mr. Sheep. All right, Mr. Pig, can you jump 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Nice job, Mr. Pig. Good job. All right. Can the rooster jump 4 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. We already know the duck can jump 5 times, but let's see if he can do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, he is good, guys. Well, there's all of our farm animals. If you guys are at home, remember, practice your counting. Let's count them one more time. Say it with me while I count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe for more great videos. Thanks, kids. Bye.